Hello everyone. I am Dr. Vinayak, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, SVS College, Bantwala. Today I will discuss you and top. Today I will discuss you on topic on career opportunities in botany. Now, majority of you have completed your BSc degree courses. You are thinking that after your degree, what are the career opportunities will be available? So, this is $1 million question. So, what are the opportunities for higher education or job after your BSc botany? So just before going to that, so first you have to take some decision. So that is an best option to choose your career, because nowadays plenty of option can be available to the students that may lead into the confusion or sometimes maybe discourage. So to avoid those confusions and problems, so first analyze yourself and list out your interest, hobbies and potentialities, and give a priority to your potential and interest, and you can start with your career. So how to build your career or how to plan your career? First, take a self assessment and list out the academic opportunities and options available, and evaluate those options and assessing those options and working conditions, and choose your career and manage your career with the proper planning. For that, today just I will tell you an career opportunity in the stream of botany. So those who completed BSc botany, for them there may be a three possibility or the three options will be available. One is going to the higher education or the higher studies. Second one, so they can join for any job, or third one option is to take a competitive exam coaching. So the first one option, that is to choice of higher education courses. So what are the streams available to the higher education? That's a Master of Science, or the medical courses or B.Ed, or sometime maybe job oriented courses or other courses like MBA, that can be J. So if you are interested to join in Master of Science, so which are the subject will be available to do the Master of Science? So first one is MSc in Botany, Microbiology, Biochemistry, Biotechnology, Forensic Science, Biochemistry, Genetics, Anthropology, Bioscience, Biomedical Sciences, Life Science, Psychology or Sericulture. So all these subjects you can join for the MSc courses. Apart from that, so you can also join because already you have studied chemistry and zoology as a part of your BSc courses. So that's why, so you can get so many other chemistry related courses also and zoology courses also. So apart from that, so you can join for B.Ed, Bachelor of Education. So in future, so you can become the teacher or the PU college lecturer. So you can also join BPEd. So apart from that, so you can join integrated MSc courses or postgraduate diploma courses, or sometimes some of them are interested to other interdisciplinary courses. Those who are interested to do the administration, so you can join Master of Business Administration, that's the MBA. So after all these master degrees, so in future, so you can join MPhil courses in botany or any branches of life science. After that, so doctoral degree, that's PhD, so you can also join in a future. So apart from that, nowadays so many scholarship will be available to the higher education. That is a Pradhan Mantri scholarship, MHRD scholarship, or other OBC backward class scholarships, or so many other scholarships will be available to the students, those who are interested to join for the higher education. Apart from that, sometimes some of them are interested to just course some additional courses and want to join for the jobs. So for them, we will have some technical or the job oriented courses, that is a photography, or so you can join hotel management courses or fine arts safety courses. So these are 6 month or 1 year courses. You can complete these courses and you can join for the some jobs after your BSc degree. So apart from that, so these are the other streams also. You can join fashion design, bakery training courses, and web designing or defense. All these courses, so you can join, and later you can join for the jobs. But apart from that, higher education, you will have a so many competitive exams. You can take some competitive exam coaching, and you can join as a administrative services in government of central government and also in state government. So first look at the opportunities available in the state government. So you can take competitive exam coaching of KAS, so that will be conducted by KPSC. So you can join as an administrative post just like Tahsildar post. So or you can take the SI sub inspector police, that will be exam conducted by Karnataka Police Department, or you can take the PDO examinations or RFO DRFO examinations or FDZ SDZ exams. All these exams will be conducted by KPSC or KAE examination boards. So and look at the central government examination. So many examinations will be conducted by central government. So that is civil service examination, first one that will be conducted by UPSC, the second IAS, IFS, IPS, IRS, IFS, IPS. So like that, all exams will be conducted by central government through the SSC, Staff Selection Commission process. So you can take coaching for this examination, so and you can complete. Apart from that, you will have a, if you have completed B.Ed, so you can take TET or GAT, you can take GRE examination, JAM or IBPS examination. Those who are, some of them are interested to join banking sector, for them, so you can take IBPS examination. And those who completed MSc also take NET and SLET examination. So if you are completed, you will get an opportunity to serve in UG and PG colleges as a professors. So these are the some opportunities. Okay, so now we can look at the career scope after BSc in botany, in which fields you can get the jobs. One is first thing is to botanical gardens, so you can join in television channels, Ayush department, school, colleges, research institute, seed marketing and production companies, pharmaceutical companies and conservation organizations. So and in a private sector, so we'll have opportunities in BPOs, nursery and bonsai preparation, landscape, mushroom cultivation, herbal preparations, and lab assistant posts, so tutors, plant material suppliers for the pharmaceuticals, vermicompost, solid waste management, graph technician. Or so those who are not interested to work with under someone else, those who can take your own make your own company and do your own businesses. So just like for example, so you can cultivate mushroom in your home itself, and you can do the marketing. So it is nowadays one of the booming industries in India. And also another interesting subject is to solid waste management. Nowadays this is a very essential subject for everyone. So how to make out the solid waste management on the point of view, so you can take some soldier flies and prepare the vermicompost or the biocompost, so you can sell those compost, so or do your own business like that. So these are the some openings. And next you can look at where you can work it out, or the what are the job positions available for the BSc botany student. First one, so plant or the wildlife educator, and second one is a curator in the herbaria, and or the in you can do work in zoo or the museum, documentary and researcher, conservationist, taxonomist, forensic expert, plant or the animal caretaker, ecotourism guides, plant breeders, lab technician. So like that, so you can work in various fields. So apart from that, so you can also work in various government fields, just like in railway services, defense services, and also in postal services. If you are interested in defense services, so you can join as a fireman or canteen attender, so technician. Or if you are interested in postal service, so you can join as a postman or assistant, like that. Or sometime they may be interested in railways also, so you can get the various jobs in all these services or the field. If you exploit more and more opportunities in the field of botany, so if you have completed some taking the competitive exams or the general examination, so you can in a government sector, so you can serve in a forest services or defensive service, postal service. So you can also join as a clerk, attender or driver, consultant, village administrative officers, PDO post or the secretary post, so data entry operators, junior assistant, teaching post, and also you can work as a P1 in some. So for that, first set your goals, proceed further to complete your goals and achieve in the same field, and you can get the awards also. So like that, so you can get the various opportunities in the field of botany as a BSc botany student. So you can join various courses. Before joining to the future courses, let's plan the best at our career, which makes further glorious in your future. I hope you can get an good ideas about your future careers. Those who completed botany as one of the subject in a BSc, so I hope you will utilize this opportunity and the information for your future career. All the best. Twang, twang. Oh, F, D, S, D, S, D, D, A, D.